Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something truly special. I got some in the mail that I want to share with you. And packages from Elephant is always fun to open. So let's see what they got to me today. Ooh, I got some plastic bags. More plastic bags, and ooh, let's see here. What do we got here? Another one-handed guy. And today I got the brand new Mini 5 Pro, which is a major upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro. I'm so excited to see what this is and see what's in the box. I hope you will join me while I'm unboxing this new drone. My name is Fredrik. I have been flying drones for over 10 years. I had a stroke in 2010, so my left hand are not working, but I fly using one hand only. Okay, welcome back. I got this new box. It says 36 minutes times 3. It's a Fly More combo with the RC2. Let's see what's inside this box. We have this sticker. Yeah, that's all. Keep it with yeah. It's always exciting to see what's inside these boxes. Okay, scan the QR code using smartphone before use. Well, fine, I will do that later. First of all, let's see what's inside there. We have a bag, and that's it. Nice shoulder bag. I've seen this before, so let's see what's inside. Everyone excited? Yeah. All right. Yeah, we got the RC2 controller. This is familiar. With the sticks on the back. Fine, we have a controller. We have a box with a lot of stash in. Let's see what's here. We have some USB-C cables. We have propeller. We have propeller. We have even more propeller. So we got a bunch of propellers. That's very good to have. Very handy. And we have, what's this? Let's see. It's a nice box from DJI. Let's see if I can open this. And we have, nice ND filter sets. We have from ND8 we have ND32 and ND128. This is nice, very handy. What else is in here? We have some manual. For those of you who likes to read the paper version, you can open this and read. And the rest of us that knows that there are manuals on the internet, we go there and find it. Some advertisement from DJI, and we have some information in different languages, and we have sticker. Nice, DJI. Okay. Let's see what. Yeah. Now there's some more in the box. Nope. Box is empty. We have also, let's see what this is. This is the charging hub with 2 batteries. I guess the 3rd battery are in the drone. I know for sure that you also can get batteries with 52 minutes of flight time. But if you use that in Norway, where I'm from, you will not be able to get it under 249 grams, which means that you are in another law restriction. This is the lightweight batteries. It's a very familiar charging hub, same as for the Mini 4. And we have, ta-da, the drone. Ooh, nice gimbal cover. First view, it looks very much the same as the Mini 4, but I see some differences right now. Propellers are twist on and twist off, and the gimbal protection reminds me of the Mavic 4 Pro. So yeah, let's take off this gimbal cover, a very huge gimbal cover. I guess it's there for protection, so very good. And the gimbal is quite big. Let's remove these stickers. It has to be removed. This is some kind of protection, so the gimbal stays in correct position during shipping. And from what I can see here underneath it, it has a symbol for zero, C0 class, and it's marked. It's not easy to see, but it says 81 decibel, which is very good for the noise part. It has sensors below and a light, and yeah, let's see if we can unfold these arms, you know, with only one hand. This is more complicated. And I see that this drone actually turns on when you unfold these arms. The same as the At least it blinked in the battery. No, it did not turn on. But there was some blinking in the battery, like the Mavic 4 does. This drone has a spot for memory card and a USB-C, and it also has, if I'm not wrong, 512 gigabyte internal storage. So you can be saved if you forget to put in the SD card after you empty it. Nice rear viewing sensors for obstacle avoidance, and in the front it should have a LiDAR. So this is the new Mini 5 Pro. No, there's only some. It's not chewing gum, just for that. But it feels actually quite nice, good quality. DJI are actually very good at making quality of these bags. I have bought some from China, some other stuff, but not as good as this one. And it's quite easy, lightweight too, so yeah. So what do you get? You get the bag to have it in, the drone, you get the RC2 controller, gimbal guard, 3 batteries, ND filters, you get a charging cable for that, you get some user manuals and a nice little sticker, and you get the 1 extra set of propellers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 propellers. So it's just out flying. The Mini 5 Pro features a new, more robust design. The camera is upgraded to a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 50 megapixel sensor. It's delivering stunning image quality even in low light. So I'm looking forward to test that out from this little beast. So who is this drone for? Whether you're a beginner, travel enthusiast, a professional content creator, the Mini 5 Pro gives you a pro-level performance in a compact format. It is perfect for anyone who wants quality without carrying heavy gear. So what do you think about the Mini 5 Pro? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video where I will be testing this drone out in the field. And remember, I use only one hand flying since I had a stroke. So if you want to see me flying this beast using one hand only, please come back. Yeah, ready to go. I will be back with some more videos, how to use it and my first impression. And remember, I use only one hand during the flight since I have one hand working only after a stroke. So bear with me, and there will be more videos where I fly this drone. So what do you think about this new DJI Mini 5 Pro? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so don't miss the next video where I will be testing this drone out in the field. So only I have to do now is charge up these batteries and I'll be ready. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a great one. Hvis du i Norge og lurer på hvor du skal kjøpe for å kjøpe denne dronen, da det en plass som gjelder, og det der. Følg med, den logoen kommer opp i bunnen nede. Elefun min nummer 1 plass å gå til når det handler om leketøy som dette. Og husk, the man who dies with most toys wins.